It is a rare opportunity that a home comes available in the desirable, prestigious Timberlake community in West Melbourne. Conveniently located to everything, large lots, big, beautiful, updated home. You're gonna love this one.
There's a heat wave. There's a heat wave rolling in. There's a heat wave, yeah. There's a party in the streets and the city's on fire.
Well, I know this is the one. You know this is the one. I'm Joe Friedman with the Carpenter Kessel team. When you're ready to set up a private tour, give me a call.